Okay guys, I'm back with my third video here. Hopefully this one goes as well. Yeah, I decided just to draw it out of what I'm going to do since it's kind of difficult enough to show. But yeah, with the winder that I was thinking about doing, normally you see people do it with like 2 blocks. I mean, I have the one that I've been doing it in, and if this was like, say, top view, yeah, this would like coil like that. But I mean, to hold the thing down, what my thought was, this is like a side view. Say you have like it cut down here, and then you have your spool put in, and let's just say this is the one. This one's just like, a U-shaped one to hold it. But yeah, this one would be kind of U-shaped to hold the mandrel. But in the side, I was thinking, well, what if I like drilled a hole and kind of like stuck the metal in it, and most people have a hole drilled into the mandrel, so if you line that up with this, or if you have a like little cut right here at the very end that you could feed it through, you could wind it up and do the same thing. And this block could be removable, it could be down here, or switch these. Either way, I'm still experimenting with it a little bit. But yeah, as for the cutter that I was talking about in my last video, this is what I've been seeing a lot of people doing, is just laying it down, or kind of, let me see, kind of having it that way a little bit, because I thought about if I have like a tray here, because a lot of them have pumps. If I just had like either like a little reservoir, or say even another pipe right here, just a little bit cut out, to keep this wet, and even if it's just water, or say like vegetable oil or something, or anything, just keep it cool. These will cut fine, because the problem I found out in my design, the blade was on the top, and I think that's the reason why I had a lot of clogging, because the blade, spins this direction, everything's going that direction, so when this is spinning that way, it's pushing back, so I'd rather have these falling down on this instead of falling back into those. But yeah, I figure, use the pipe, it works the best. I might maybe put a little tilt in it, I'm not sure, but straight up and down, if it was like that might work, but I could pretty much kiss the water part of it goodbye, unless I did like some kind of like gentle siphon or something, I don't know. It was a thought. Anyway, last part of this. This was mainly for the cutting wheel for this. That arbor I have is way too short, so I thought the all thread, it's just about the perfect size. Take 2 nuts, probably super glue them into position, or something to keep them there, because that will fly apart and get loose, or at least do one of the nuts and then leave the other one free. But yeah, say I have like 2 of these drilled out or something, but of course this is where I said like a pipe would be good right here, because it wouldn't take up a lot of space, and I could add whatever I wanted to it. But yeah, like I said, a couple wood blocks, all thread, 2 nuts, the ringinator blade, and finally the drill, which a lot of people just add a I'll say this, kind of weird doing this now, a lot of people just like to have like a little like pulley here and then run that off, and say like over here is your drill. Say this drill doesn't need this, it's right here. You could do that too. I just figure direct drive, you don't need this, you don't need the belt, you don't need the other thing. Simpler, better. But this is probably going to be my next build, because my blade's toast. I need to order a new one, and I figure this design might be better, because every design I've seen, the blade's on the bottom, mine was on the top. It worked, just not very well, and things got hot. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I mean, I'm trying to shed some light on stuff I've been noticing, not in some people's videos, but yeah, just comment below and let me know what you think.